City leaders recently held a ribbon cutting to celebrate major improvements made to the Service Blake Soccer Complex. For decades, this sporting facility has been home to many soccer tournaments.
It's enjoyed by thousands of people. Thousands of young children here in Edmond come out here and play. And on top of it, a lot of people come from outside of Edmond and play here. There's tournaments that are enormous that they host here with people from not just outside of the county, but outside of the state that come here.
Improvements to the complex include 2 new concession and restroom areas, a new maintenance building, and a convenient drop-off entryway. The larger concession area also features offices for the Edmond Soccer Club and a conference room for coaches and tournament meetings.
I can't tell you how excited we are to have these new facilities and how excited we are just to be able to get in there, utilize them, have our own meetings here instead of trying to go all over the place to have meetings. So it's just really fantastic.
The cost for the renovation was $5.1 million. These improvements are expected to draw more high-level tournaments and offer a tremendous place to play for Edmond youth.
Through ESC, Park and Rec, City, we've continued to invest in this complex, which is also investing in our children, in our future, which is great that we need to continue to do. I just want to give a shout out to ESC because you all have put in a lot of work. You all continue to put in a lot of work to make this complex great.